one and all. The lecture of the start class 10 level 2 physical education and sports. The module 4 the unit first identify the postural deformities. Postural deformities को कैसे identify करेंगे? तो first of all definition of the posture. Posture means the definition of posture accurating and balancing position that is called a good posture. So type of the posture, the two type of posture, one is the good posture and another is the bad posture. First of all, the definition of the postures. The posture definitions, it means ये बताता है the position of the body in regard to the environment and given instant. Regard and given instant in a medical terms. I repeat again. The postures, it means the position of the body regard to the movement of given of instant in the medical term, the means of unconscious adjustment. जो means होता है unconscious adjustment का term in the different type of involvement, making a movement of position is accurate. First, making the movement position is accurate. Second, for maintain the line and point of gravity constant. That is called the postures. Second thing, the standing postures. Standing postures क्या होता है? The definition of the standing postures. The standing postures is balance of free from muscular and ligaments. Free from होता है जो muscular and ligament to straight that line of gravity and center of the head. तो line of gravity जो center जो बिंदु है, center of the heads and chest, abdomen and pelvic hall of the state of standing position. The weight is controlled and equally. Weight कैसा रहेगा? Control and equally to distributed between the ball, foot and the heel. Ball, foot and the heel. Third point, the sitting posture. The sitting posture in the sitting in the simple position. Sitting in the simple position, the part of the body, head, weight, and shoulders will be placed in the proper place in the proper alignment. किसमें होने चाहिए? Proper in the place alignment of each other, एक दूसरे के साथ. Weight is supported the area is equally. Weight कैसा होना चाहिए? Equally. That is called the sitting posture position. Concept of the correct postures. The correct posture of the good posture to statics and dynamic requires. To static and dynamic requires of the mechanical freedom and coordination. That is called the position is mechanically and vertically and highly to spine and not is twisted to shoulder of the erect position. That is called the correct posture. Advantages of the correct postures. The good advantages of correct posture to train the body to create of the impression is personally to better to create of the first impressions asset by the importance of attention to good posture to weak of physics of the negative effect. That is called the advantage of postures. The cause of the postures, the result of the cause of the postures, deformities. Number 1 is conjugate lump posture, outstanding muscles, low muscles, effective muscles. That is called the types of the postures. The common posture deformities. The common posture deformities form of the abdominal position in the various postures of the demonstrated knock-knee, bow-leg, slouches, lordosis, spinal curvature, etc. आदि. The common posture deformities are the round upper back. The aggression is the normal and dorsal curve. Normal and dorsal curve of spine. The resulting is saluting after to depress protective of the abdominal head. That is called common round back abilities. Lordosis. In case of the lordosis, to increase your forward chest. To increase your forward chest and shoulder to get the back chest
and creativity to the protecting of the abdominal head is forward. Flat foot, that is called the common posture deformities. It means that the no reach, the foot and the totally which is give rise in the pain of foot. Rise the pain of foot happen due to the loss of muscles to supporting the foot is which is result of flattening. In which result of flattening. Round soldier. It is the postural effect of soldiers look like of the round soldiers of muscles to become in sometimes towards of the sides of the load of weakness of muscle, that is called the round soldier. Next common question, no knee. It is the proper anatomical postures. It is a proper anatomical postures. There is should be the gap between the knee, no gap, touch, overlap of person is the walk of running, that is called the no knee. Bow leg. Bow leg is the called a rickets. Rickets. This posture is the low long of the leg gets bent. इसमें हमारी जो लेग है वो झुक जाती है, मुड़ जाती है. The result of the unnatural leading, that is called the running. और हमें unnatural leading हो जाती है, हम इसमें नहीं छोड़ पाते. Scoliosis is the postural defect, the one of the lateral curves throwing the spine maybe of the curve is associated loss of the strength of the all body muscles को loss करता है, that is called the scoliosis. Physical activity as the corrective measure each deformities to remedial measure of the common postural deformities to remove completely. Common postural deformities to remove completely. Take advise himself to conscious in your act. That is called the common postural deformities. Explain the meaning and concept of postures. The put up the questions explaining the meaning, the concept of the correct postures. The posture is various. Answer. The correct posture is various. Individual means position. That is the individual to carry himself to sitting and standing and walking. There are the numerous concepts regarding of the posture and its significance. The posture is which is the segment, balance position and maximum support. According to the Metheny, a general characteristics of the good postures of the archness, balance, body adjustments and gravity all of the segment of the neck, trunk nearly in the straight and vertical passes nearly through in the center of foot. That is called the correct posture. Second question, write a note of various common postural deformities. That is called the number of many types. The following is the common postural deformities like knock-knee, bow leg, scoliosis, lordis, spinal curvature, flat foot, etc. Next step, what is the flat foot? The flat foot step should be followed in prevented to method to help of movements. Describe the put up the question. The causes of the flat foot. The first of all, the many causes of the flat foot. First is the hesitancy of the posture, standing in a long time, use of local footwear. Fourth is overweight. Prevention of the exercise. Exercise को कैसे रोकेंगे? Number 1, walk on heel or on the toe. Second, pick up of marbles with the toe. Write the alphabet with the toe. The stretching down the long sitting position and walking the feet in the parallel to each other. The next put up the questions. Next topic, abdominal curvature of the spine curvature at the front. It is the lordis, also is known as the hollow back deformities. That is the X-rate to the lumbar curve of lower back. X-rate होता है lumbar curve of the lower back and chest burden to go back of abdominal muscle to move forward. This is the main losses of abdominal obesity. This is the main losses of the abdominal activity. What is the flat foot? The full meaning and clear cut meaning of the flat foot. The flat foot is the very common postural deformities. ये सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्टीज है। फ्लैट फुट मींस ऑफ द नो ईच द फुट इज लूज ऑफ आर्च, अपने आर्च को लूज करते हैं। इन द फुट इज मेनली कॉज द ओवरवेट एंड प्रोलॉन्ग एंड डज नॉट इंटरफेयर ऑफ द नॉर्मल फंक्शन ऑफ द फुट।
Next, put up the question to explain the correct standing and sitting postures. Come to the point. Standing posture. The standing posture is affected in such factors as the head to build and occupation. As the head to build and occupations in the position of the postures and throw of ear lobe of center and shoulder upward of the pelvic. Decrease the curve of lower back of abdominal flattens and the base of arm to place of less strength of the muscle of body to transfer करता है, बदलता है, to change to entire of the longitudinal arch of foot. The sitting posture is about the 65 to 67%. 65 to 67% is 65 to 67% of our to sitting position. To balance of the alignments, to balance of the alignment is essential. It is essential in consideration while the sitting and weight should be the first place. Sitting of base and should be the first place on the edge of chair and to sports to make use the chair is seat in body in against the back on chair to keep in straight back. Next question, the highlighted advantages of the correct postures. The topic is this, highlighted advantages means लाभ of correct postures के क्या लाभ है? Number 1, the human machine functions are the more efficiently when the weight of bearing segment in proper alignments within minimum stress and strain on them. हमें बहुत कम खिंचाव और तनाव होता है। Second thing, the good posture is permitted to mechanically, efficiently or functionally. Mechanically, efficiently or functionally to joint friction and joint of immunized. Third point, the pressure within joints are equalized. जो pressure है, जो दबाव है joints का, वो कैसा हो जाता है? Equalize हो जाता है। Minimum wear to tear of joints और minimum wear हमें सहना पड़ता है। Next, it is the result of maximum efficiency of minimum efforts. Next point, the individual is the good impression for well-being. मनुष्य मात्र के लिए well-being के लिए सबसे अच्छा प्रभावित रहता है। The next point, it is individual to good impression of well-being. It helps to developing the strength of physical athletic abilities of an individual. Individual की abilities के लिए बहुत बेस्ट रहता है। It is the enable to an individual to feel is comfortable to easy to performing of the different kind of necessary movements. And next point, the body is exert of less pressure. Body का pressure कम हो जाता है। In the different type of organ of body is result of less fatigue. It is an individual to look is ugly within the well development of the personality. What is the next questions? Yeah, next topic, the main causes of the cirrhosis of physical activities of the work and the corrective measure of the difficulties. The cause of cirrhosis, number 1, heredity defect in structure. Heredity, वंशानुक्रम जो शुरू से चले आ रहे हैं, heredity जो शुरू से पैतृक है, heredity. And due to any the determination of the variables and one of the paralysis of the spinal muscles. Next is the short leg of the one side. Next is the one side of the platform. Next is the imbalance of muscular system and occupations habits and some of the loss of the strength of muscles, all type of the body muscles. The corrective measures that define the corrective measure. The corrective measure, it is the very easy to correct of the posture. It is very easy. It is very easy. ये बहुत आसान है to correct the measure. To individual should practice and a view of the following point. The spinal exercise is flexion to extending
rotation of the sideward of flexion to developing strength of the extensions. It is the Trikonasana is to help to developing of the muscles. Which asana? Trikonasana. To developing them. The guidance of the qualified and physicals be obtained for going of the corrective exercise. The next question, what is the brief note of the legs suggest before the exercise and corrective? This is the common postural activities. So this question, put up this questions. It is the postural deformities of the long bone legs is get bent. जो long bone leg है वो get हो जाती है, क्या हो जाती है, bend हो जाती है, मुड़ जाती है. They are more common in children. ये आमतौर पर often प्राय बच्चों में मिलती है. It is adult and football players. और किसमें मिलती है? Adults और football players. Adults और football players में जो common postural deformities जो मिलती है. It is the deformities to bones and case of football players because it is the deformities of occurs. Obvious deformities के उसमें आ जाते हैं. This is the bending of curvature of bones in leg and called that is called and this deformity that is called the disease is rickets. उनको क्या हो जाती है? Rickets हो जाती है. And next the some corrective measures give the children is never infants them the stand of walk too easily in life. Who walk easily walk नहीं कर सकते. Never stand for the long hours. लंबे समय तक खड़े नहीं हो सकते. They puts the strain on the leg. उनकी पैरों में खिंचाव होने लगता है. Therefore avoid it. और वो उनको क्या करते हैं? उसको avoid करते हैं. But the pillow between the leg and to try to walk. अपने टांगों के बीच में तकिए को लगाना और लंबे समय तक walk करना. What do you mean by the round shoulder and suggested the four physical activity of the corrective measures? Round shoulder क्या है? Four corrective measures. If the ear of the soldier are not then to usually likely of the round shoulders, body of soldiers lie in a safe sometime because the weakness of muscles of shortening of the pectoral muscles, जिससे कि जो pectoral muscles होती हैं जो होती हैं हमारी किसमें chest के अंदर होती हैं. For physical activity are correcting round shoulder. Number 1, the rotate your shoulder in backward direction. अपने कंधे को backward direction में घुमाना. Second thing, do push the regularly strengthens your shoulder of muscles. Third is regular physical exercise is recommended strength in whole body. Next point, the walk in vice versa position. This will be make of the conscious you are it sit and or walk. That is called the brief discussion, full discussion of the common postural activity. The next topic, the next unit, the demonstrative basic of training. The demonstration, the basic of training, the meaning and concept of the training. The first of all, the definition. The training now the people, this is the sense of the arching period, the process to preparation any task, that is called the training. But the field of the sports over to maintain the task and fitness and conditions of the sports of game, that is called the meaning of training. The brief definition of meaning of training, the preparation of any task. Definition of the training, Matthews के अनुसार the sports training is the basic form to preparation of sportsman. The basic form preparation of the sportsman. Second, Martin, the sports training is the plan to control your process, which is for activating your goal to change your goal complex and motor performance of ability and behaviors through to the measures and to contain the method of organization. That is called Matthews. And Harry sports training is the scientific knowledge to pedagogical and process to performance of the systematical of psychophysically performance, that is called. The principles of the training. The first principle of the training, the sports training to performance of the sports person higher performance. This process is to depend upon the training to requirement in the practice period. The principle of the continuity. According to the principle of the continuity, the training should be in continuous process. Training सदैव एक continuous process में चलनी चाहिए. But next topic, the aim of sports training. Sports training के क्या aim है? The definition of the sports training. The aim of sports training to lead of sports person is highest level of performance. Highest level of performance through the physical education and sports, technical, intellectual, psychological, moral preparation of athletes by means in physical exercise. That is called the aim of scope of training. Next definition is training method. The various type of the training method: continuous method, interval method, repetition method, circuit training, interval training, hard leg training, plyometric training, etc. means the method of training. Next topic, next point, the strength. Strength, ability to muscle to exert a force is single muscle contractions. It is the ability to overcome of resistance, that is called the training. Example, medicine ball throw. Next point is maximum strength. The greatest force is the possible to overcome and resistance in the single maximum contraction. Example, weightlifting, discus throw, hammer throw, track and field events activity. Next is the flexibility. It is the ability of the body to stretch without any damage, pull or strain. जिसमें कोई खिंचाव और तनाव नहीं हो. It is the simple term said to the range of motion. A joint is a flexible. Next is the strength is the endurance. It is the ability to get of resistance and medium and intensity means तीव्रता and stimulates लगातार for a long time is possible. For example, the distance race, swimming pool, distance cycling, wrestling, etc. That is called the strength and endurance. Next point is the endurance. Endurance, it is the very important component of physical fitness to define the tendency of the body work to longer and getting of the fatigue. It is the ability of muscle to sustain in localized growth to extended period. For example, long distance running. Method of the endurance, to development method of the endurance. The three type of the method. First is the continuous method, second is the interval method, third is the hard leg training method. To explain the three method, first of all, the continuous method. This method is the long distance running without break. एक लंबी रेस करना बिना ब्रेक लगाए, बिना रुके, और the recovery of the pace, और अपने पेस की रिकवरी करना. This method is further divided into the following part. इस मेथड को फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. स्लो कंटिन्यूअस मेथड नंबर 1. स्लो कंटिन्यूअस मेथड द कंसिस्ट ऑफ द लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रेस running slowly without any break of the pace in long intensity. Example is the cross country race. Second is the first continuous method. In this method is higher, it is required to less time, the duration up to 20 minutes without any break. The heart rate are each 160 to 180 per beats, minutes per beats. The first is method to effective to provide it the amount of the energy to consume of working the muscles and lungs of aerobic dance. Next is the variable pace method. It is the combination slow fast continuous method. This is the change cannot be done from 15 minutes 16 minutes. Heart rate should be remain 140 to 180 beats per minute. 11. Next point is hard leg. It means hard leg means speed play. Hard legs means speed. S-P-E-E-D. Speed play. This is the word. Hard leg means speed play. So hard leg means speed play is a variation of variable to pace method. It is the type of cross country. To running is usually to conduct of highly region. Running is usually to conduct of the highly regions. It is conduct of highly regions to running of exercise also include the type of running. Speed. The quickness of the movement of the limb is whether the leg and runner of the aim to putter, full stop. In the other terms of speed is also ability to rapid movements of the same of the shortest possible time. That is called the speed. Reaction speed. It is the enabler to sports person to react quickly and effectively different type of the stimuli of visual authority of the facilities. Acceleration of the speed. It is the ability to increase your speed, stationary positions, joining to running of the sprinting. The speed is great extent depend upon the explosive strength is frequency to movements of technique. That is called acceleration speed. Speed and endurance, ability to work and performance to movement of the quickly under condition of fatigue to combination of the speed, endurance and ability. VO2 is maximum, the amount of the oxygen consumed working of the muscles per minute. That is called the VO2 maximum. Explosive strength, it is the ability to muscles over resistance, some maximum intensity, stimulates of the fast and position, example sprint, jumps, smashing of volleyball. Next is circuit training. Circuit training is the formal type of training which athlete to goes through a series in selected of exercise or range of circuit to perform and sequence. There is 7 to 10 stations in a circuit. The athlete to performance of specific exercise to each of stations to next station. The circuit station is designed to endurance and flexibility of the neuromuscular coordination. The next question or next topic, define the definition of continuous training methods. The method is very useful to development of the endurance. ये हमारी endurance को क्या करता है? Develop करता है and athlete is continuously without any break between. They can be, but the nature of activity remains continuous without any break, without any phase of interval. Next is the sports warm up. What is the type of the warm up? Warm up. This is the two type before the game. कोई भी गेम खेलने से पहले two types of the warm up. Number 1 general warming up. Number 2 specific warming up. So warming up in the order to performance of the activity sports, the warming up to exercise, some exercise, neck rotation, wrist rotation, hand rotations, and the to क्या करता है इस एक्सरसाइज टू क्रिएट जो टेम्परेचर वार्म अप बॉडी और जो हमारी मसल्स हैं, मसल्स आर मेक्स द जॉइंट्स आर द कंपैरेटिवली इफेक्टिव टू डेली ऑफ द मेल स्पोर्ट्स. वार्म अप सेशन इज इंक्लूड नंबर 1 जॉगिंग, स्ट्राइडिंग, wind sprint, simple exercise or stretching exercise. Warming up session divided into two parts. General warming up. The general warming up and specific warming up duration should be then 15 minutes and more than 40 minutes. 15 से 40 minutes. Definition of the sports training. The term of training is drawn to preparation of the sports person is the highest level of performance. The highest level of performance, a scientist to systematical channel of the process individual of activity in a particular task. According to the Harry, the sports training of the pedagogical process and function through the systematical effect of the psycho and physical performance, the performance of the aim of leading and sports person of performance. According to the Merton, the training and sports is the planned and process which is the motor performance, motor developments of the behaviors and nervous behaviors and to performance of to measure is oriented method of organization. That is, explain the type of warming up. There are the two type of warming up. Number 1 general warming up, another is the specific warming up. What is the general warming up? The general warming up is it includes the light jogging exercise, stretching exercise, sprint exercise, parts of the body, and specific warming is the relative to movement of reflection in the major game activities of the example. Means biceps, triceps, short putters, etc. Next, what is the strength? The strength is the most important motor abilities of the sports. It is the direct to protect of the muscle contraction that can be defined of the strength as the ability to overcome of resistance or type of strength. Number 1, on body resistance, 100-meter race and jumping. Number 2, resistance implement the throwing events like shot put, chariot throw and discus throw. Next, the resistance is the opponent of wrestling, boxing, judo, etc. Next is the fractional resistance or swimming. Next, isometric exercise. Isometric exercise, define the isometric exercise. These are the exercise in which movements to take place for the related against the immovable object to develop on calls of the strategic muscle contraction to pushing against the wall. Hello.